dirt down in there, confusing me. Good, looks good. All right, let's do it. Another piece. We just went over to, and scissors weren't made for me. We just went over town this morning, grabbed this. We never did any measuring or anything, and that's where the boo-boo was. So I suggest if you're going to do your bumper and you want it done in one day, like we're doing it, make sure you do the measurement and all the stuff to. I'm going to take a minute. Make sure you do all the measurements so you get the right amount, so you're not left like me, holding the ball and trying to use your brain while you're doing it. So. Now I could have ran a piece in the middle, like up through the middle, and then run each one each way, you know what I'm saying? I could have done that to get our pieces. I'm going to run the other ones and just do it and then and add it in the middle. And that way there, I can peel it off after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this bumper. I'm going to use 2 half pieces. I'm going to half it in the center, or half it somewhere, probably in the center. And I'll just peel that piece off when I get a new piece. But I'm not going to not finish this bumper just because I didn't calculate the right length of stuff. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to half this up and put one in the center, and then I'll peel this off after I get a new piece. If I get a new piece and want to use this bumper, I'll just peel that piece off, and then I'll replace it. So, you want to grab that, sweetheart? I'm going to half it. Or, is that one going to work?
No.
Not long enough?
No.
Damn it. Oh, look at that. I'm just going to half it right there. You know what I mean? Just put that, I'm not going to ruin that piece. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to put this piece on. But what I'm going to say is, this is what I'm going to say. I would want to take that off and put a full piece right to the edge to make that look right. So we're basically just going to put this on, put a piece down the end, match a piece up at the end so I can pick the bumper up and show it to you. But